Okay, I'm here today with Paul, N6PSC of the Intrepid-DX Group. Thank you for joining me, Paul. How are you?
Hi, Lucas. I'm good. It's good to be with you today.
All right, thank you, Paul. And yeah, let's get started. If you could tell me a little bit about the Intrepid-DX Group for those who are not familiar with it, that'd be great.
Yeah, the Intrepid-DX Group, we got our name following the April 2010 expedition to Erbil, Iraq. People called us those Intrepid DXers, and the name just kind of stuck. And since then, we've been very active throughout a number of countries, many of them in Africa, the Middle East, South Pacific, Asia. In addition to doing the expeditions, we always try to introduce amateur radio to people in developing nations. We've done presentations in Ethiopia, in Iran, Iraq, South
Right.
Sudan, for example. And we also try to foster interest in STEM, or science, technology, engineering, and math.
Mhm.
And that led us to develop our annual Youth Dream Rig Essay Contest, which we've just launched our fourth annual essay contest just this week.
Beautiful. And what are the prices for this essay contest?
We've got some really great ICOM radios, a brand new IC 7300 HF rig. And then our second place prize is a ICOM IDS 5100 AD, which is a dual band mobile radio with D-Star.
Very nice.
And the third place prize is a ICOM ID 52A, which is a dual band handy talkie, and it's also got D-Star.
All right, sounds really good, Paul. What are the contest rules, just for those who are interested in entering?
The contest rules are really pretty simple, Lucas. We're looking for a two-page essay answering the question of what attracted you to amateur radio. This is part of our reaching out and building a bridge with young people and really trying to connect with them and understand what aspects of the hobby appeal to them. There's probably no more important aspect of this hobby than bringing new people into the fold, and so introducing ham radio to young people is a big part of that. Secondly, we're looking for contestants to be licensees in the U.S. and Canada and living in the U.S., Canada, or Canadian or U.S. Possessions.
Okay.
We also want them to promise to keep the radio at least for a year. We don't want to
Right.
put a beautiful radio in the hands of someone who's just going to flip it. If they don't want the radio or don't need it, then please don't compete.
Absolutely.
And we ask that the essay be in either plain text, a PDF, or a Microsoft Word. They can send it to us as an email attachment, or they can use the old-fashioned post office if they want to mail it. Pretty simple, basically. Two pages essay.
Yeah, these are some wonderful, wonderful prices. When do you want the submissions by, Paul?
We would like to have the email or mailed submissions by November 30th, 2023. That will give us time to review them and make a decision, and we'll notify the winners of the first, second, third place prizes on December 15th of 2023.
Sounds good. Okay, well, thank you, Paul. This sounds fun. Hopefully we'll get lots of entries, and thank you for your time.
Thank you, Lucas, for helping us publicize the fourth annual Youth Essay Contest. We really appreciate your help.
Absolutely. Thank you.